Hey, welcome back to 2-Minute How-To. Right now I'm going to show you how to set some tile. I've already got my mortar put down and let's get to it. And I will put that line right dead center of that grout joint. Okay, so I'm going to kind of smack this. Make sure I get really good connection. Okay, maybe give it a little wiggle. I'm running a 3/16 grout joint, so I'm putting in my spacers right here. And that's pretty much it. That's how I get my second row started. I have started in about in the center of my row. Okay, and this is going to help you out a lot, just keeping stuff straight and keeping it on. Is if you divide your room in half anytime you start another row, start in the center and work this side to the right, work that side to the left. Another quick tip, pro tip, just to keep your work area clean. Let me show you how I set my tile as far as like to the edge. Okay, a lot of people, and I'm not going to do it because it's messy, but a lot of people just want to set this down right here and push it up in place. Okay, so they want to set it down, then slide it over in place or push it up in place. And what that does is that pushes all that mortar into your crack and makes a big huge mess, and then you've got mortar all up in your cracks, and the next day you got to come through and cut it all out, and it takes you forever just to get it ready to grout. This is what I do. So I get my tile and I lay it in here where I'm basically touching the other tile. Okay, I set it down and then I'm going to slide it back that way, put my spacers in, give it a couple good hits, give it a little wiggle, make sure it's really good and straight right here, which that looks good. We're looking good here, we're looking good here, and that's it. That's how I lay my tile. And if you can see up and down this row, there's no mortar sticking out anywhere. That's pretty much it for how I set tile. Thanks for watching 2-Minute How-To. If you like it, subscribe and we will catch you on the next video.